Attention, all adventure seekers over 30! Today, we're about to embark on a journey that will leave you utterly astonished. What if we told you that adding just one simple ingredient to your daily diet could revolutionize your health, vitality, and overall quality of life? Brace yourselves, because we're diving headfirst into the extraordinary world of horseradish. Prepare to be captivated as we unveil the life-changing secrets held within horseradish. Secrets that you simply cannot afford to overlook. Ignore this video and you might just miss out on unleashing a world of astonishing benefits that could forever change the way you live. Curiosity piqued? We thought so. Get ready to witness the astounding transformation of those brave enough to add horseradish to their daily routines. In the culinary world, there are few flavors as unique and unmistakable as horseradish. While this pungent root vegetable has long been a staple in our favorite sauces and garnishes, its impact on overall health often goes unnoticed. Rich in nutrients for a stronger immune system. Horseradish is packed with essential nutrients that can boost your immune system. It contains vitamin C, B6, and folate, as well as minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients work together to strengthen your body's defense against viruses, bacteria, and other harmful pathogens. Anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. The natural compounds found in horseradish offer potential anti-inflammatory effects. Studies suggest that these compounds can help reduce inflammation in the body, making horseradish an excellent choice for those suffering from conditions like arthritis or sinus inflammation. Additionally, horseradish has been used traditionally as a natural pain reliever, thanks to its ability to stimulate blood flow and ease discomfort. Boost digestive health and metabolism. Horseradish is known for its digestion-enhancing properties. By stimulating the production of gastric juices, it aids the breakdown of food in the stomach, which improves digestion and nutrient absorption. Moreover, the natural compounds found in horseradish can help regulate metabolism, promoting efficient weight management, detoxify and protect the liver. The components in horseradish, such as glucosinolates, stimulate the function of enzymes responsible for detoxifying the liver and eliminating toxic substances from your body. Including horseradish in your diet may assist in supporting optimal liver health and improving overall detoxification. Incorporating horseradish into your meals. Now that we understand the numerous health benefits, let's explore some creative ways to incorporate horseradish into your everyday meals. Zesty sauces. Add a tablespoon of grated horseradish to your homemade sauces, such as tartar or cocktail sauce, to give them a zingy kick. Spicy dressings. Blend horseradish with olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and a touch of honey to create a bold salad dressing that will awaken your taste buds. Flavorful soups. Stir in grated horseradish into creamy soups like potato or cauliflower soup, to lend a burst of unique flavor. Exciting appetizers. Impress your guests with horseradish-infused deviled eggs or incorporate it into your favorite seafood dip. Energizing snacks. Create a horseradish-infused hummus or mix it with Greek yogurt for a spicy and healthy dip for vegetables or whole grain crackers. Safety and side effects. While horseradish is generally safe for consumption, it can cause mild side effects in some individuals. As horseradish is a powerful root, excessive intake can lead to digestive discomfort or gastrointestinal distress. If you have stomach ulcers or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, it is advisable to use horseradish in moderation or consult with a healthcare professional. Incorporating horseradish into your daily diet can bring about a multitude of transformative health benefits. From strengthening your immune system to aiding digestion and liver function, horseradish is a versatile and powerful addition to any culinary repertoire. So take a trip to the grocery store, pick up some fresh horseradish, and let it zing up your meals, positively impacting your overall health and well-being.